Always better. It's, you know, doesn't usually work that way, but sometimes, just depends, you have to figure it out.
Yeah, I wish we could make it out here more once a week, but
Boy, Tosh can get the very best out of him. She gets, you know, she's doing good. That's good now. So Tosh can make him really walk the chalk line. Well, she's pretty rough on him, and that's all right. He need to be roughed up a little bit. I don't mind. They need to be roughed up a little. Ruffle him a little and make him know who's the boss.
yeah, she's
Exactly.
not scared to do that.
Mm-hmm. Did she work with her? Your daughter, Tosh, work with her?
No.
No?
I don't remember how they met. I think it was through Lucky Horse or something.
Uh,